Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are diving into the world of information security with the focus on ISO 27036. This standard is crucial for managing the risks associated with supplier relationships, and it provides a structured approach to ensuring that sensitive information is well protected when working with external parties. ISO 27036 is part of the ISO IEC 27000 family of standards, which focuses on information security management systems. Specifically, ISO 27036 addresses the security of information that is shared with or managed by suppliers. In today's interconnected world, businesses increasingly rely on external suppliers for various services and products. This dependence introduces potential vulnerabilities which ISO 27036 aims to mitigate. The standard is divided into three key parts. One is ISO 27036-1 Overview and Concepts. This part provides an overview of the key concepts and principles related to supplier relationships and information security. It sets the stage for understanding how supplier interactions can impact information security and outlines the general requirements for managing these relationships. Second is ISO 27036-2 Requirements for Supplier Relationships. Here the focus is on establishing and maintaining security requirements for supplier relationships. It details how organizations should define and communicate security expectations, manage risk, and ensure that suppliers adhere to agreed upon security controls. Third is ISO 27036-3 Guidelines for Information and Communication Technology Supply chains. This part offers specific guidance on managing information security with ICT supply chains. It covers best practices for securing information throughout the life cycle of ICT products and services from procurement to end of life. Implementing ISO 27036 helps organizations protect their information assets by establishing clear security requirements for suppliers, ensuring that security measures are effectively communicated and managed, conducting risk assessments to identify and address potential vulnerabilities, monitoring and auditing supplier performance to ensure compliance. By adhering to ISO 27036, organizations can enhance their overall information security posture, reduce the likelihood of security incidents, and foster stronger, more secure relationships with their suppliers. In the following sections, we will explore each part of ISO 27036 in greater detail, providing insights into how these guidelines can be effectively implemented to safeguard your information. Thank you for joining this session on ISO 27036. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this standard. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Till then, thank you.